Kia ora and welcome to this tutorial video showing you how to upload a What's On listing to the Local Matters website. Before we get started, please make sure that you have created an account and are logged in. You can do this by clicking the sign in button at the top left-hand side of the Local Matters website. To list an event, you firstly need to navigate to the What's On section of the website. You can do this from the home page by clicking here. Here you have the homepage of the What's On section. You can use the bar here to search by keyword or filter by category or location. When you click on the filter by category option, the drop-down list only includes categories of events that have been listed. If you don't find the type of event you're after, this is because no event has been listed in that category. To list an event, you need to click the Get Started Here button. Otherwise, if you want to view what's on, you can scroll down to view featured events or scroll a little further to view events sorted by day. The right-hand side here shows you which events are coming up soon. If you continue scrolling down further, you will find a larger view of the events, and at the bottom is a button to view all of the events. This also gives you the option to view events on a map. To list an event, click the Get Started button from the What's On homepage. This brings you to the Add an Event listing page. There are 3 options you can choose from. The first is a free option for one-off events. The next 2 packages are for recurring events. There are 2 different prices depending on if the event is for a commercial business or for a non-for-profit organisation. The information you need to submit differs between each option, so please ensure you select the correct option before you start. To begin, I have selected the free one-off option. If you scroll down the page, you will see a few boxes that you have to fill out. The boxes with the red asterisks next to them are required fields. This field allows customers to click straight through to buy tickets online. Please note this field requires the full web address link, including the HTTP that usually occurs before web addresses. If you don't have this full address, you can add the address you do have in the description below. You must select a start date of the event. However, it is not compulsory to choose an end date if the event is only running for one day. To select the date or time, all you have to do is click on the numbers and choose the correct ones. Each What's On listing requires a category so that people can find the event easily. You can scroll through this list to find the category that fits your event the best. You must add an address in order for the event to be listed. The address field uses Google Maps, so you may find you need the exact address of the location of your event. Once you start typing in the address box, the address should pre-populate. You will see that after I click on the address, it automatically fills the rest of the boxes. Please make sure you click Set Address on Map. At the bottom here, you'll see the option to upload an image to go with your listing. This could be anything you like, such as a business or event logo, photo of the event, or even a generic image related to the event. We suggest uploading an image to make your listing stand out. Once you have entered all the information, you can choose to either preview the listing or to submit it. The fields for a recurring event are similar to the free event. The boxes with the red asterisks next to them are required fields. For recurring events, you must click Yes in this section. Next, you need to fill out the event start date and event duration. The event duration refers to how long the event itself goes for, not how many events there are. Next, you choose how many times the event repeats. You can choose from daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or there is also a custom option. With the custom option, you are able to manually enter in every event date. This is useful if the event dates are irregular or if there is going to be a break in events, such as over Christmas and New Year. You can see an example of how to select custom dates here. Depending on which repeats option you pick, you will see differing options. To save time, I won't go through each of them. However, here you can see an example of how a monthly repeat looks. You get the option to select what day of the event runs and which week in the month, such as every third Tuesday of the month. You can then choose how many times you want the event to repeat. Scroll down and the rest of the options are very similar to those that were required in the free package. Please remember to select Set Address on Map. After you click Submit, it brings you to the checkout page. Some of your details may pre-populate, but if not, please enter the relevant details in each field. At the bottom of the page, you will find the total of the package. Scroll down further and you can choose to pay online right away with your credit card. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any further questions, please call Mahurangi Matters on 09 425 9068 or Hibiscus Matters on 09 427 8188.